Okay, we're ready to start step one of our project, which is brainstorm the tutorial. This should take about 10 minutes. Okay, before we get started on our project, we're gonna have to decide what it is we want to teach or share. It can be a skill like sewing or a full project like making pizza dough. I gave some other examples in the intro, how to make a TikTok, how to make your favorite cookies, land a cartwheel, draw a cat. Really, no skill is too small. So please choose something that brings you joy and that you think other people will really enjoy as well. If you need some inspiration, head over to instructables.com. You can see that here. This is a community for people who like to make things. Okay. You can go over to their projects page and browse by different categories. So this is just a great resource all around, whether you use it for this project or not. There's so many things here that you can do, and most of it is at home. So that's great because that's where most of us are these days, right? If you need some time to think about this and brainstorm, please pause while you make your decision. And once you're ready to move on, once you've picked a skill to share, hit play to continue planning. Remember, there's a planning guide if you want to record your ideas, but if you don't have access to that, no problem at all. Just grab a piece of paper to jot these things down. Okay, first thing we want to write down is the overview. Let's describe, or please describe, what are we going to learn in your tutorial? What's the goal? What are we going to learn how to make or do? And why is it a fun or helpful skill to have? Materials and tools. What materials and tools do we need to have in order to complete this tutorial? Outline. What are the steps? Draft a list of steps to learn the skill or complete the project, and try to break it down into manageable parts. So step 1, step 2, step 3, until we get to the end of the project. And then finally, resources. There's only so much you can teach on one website. Are there any resources that you can point people to if they want to learn more? So these can be videos or links. If you don't have access to a computer, if you're just writing this down, just make a note of the links or web pages you want to reference in your resources. When you're ready, let's head over to step 2, which is creating a new project in Glitch. See you there.